Cryptocurrency. D.O.T. Polkadot. Polkadot is a network protocol that allows arbitrary data, not just tokens, to be transferred across blockchains. This means Polkadot is a true multi-chain application environment, where things like cross-chain registries and cross-chain computation are possible. Polkadot unites a network of heterogeneous blockchains called parachains and parathreads. These chains connect to and are secured by the Polkadot relay chain. They can also connect with external networks via bridges. Polkadot was developed by Parity Technologies, which was led by two former Redware executives, Gavin Wood and Yudish Tyner. The project is also supported by the Web3 Foundation, a closely related organization that provides funding, advocacy, research, and collaboration for the project.